What's going on, people? This is episode 2 of the cooler rack rebuild video. As you can see, last time we made a couple bends. I actually made this a little bit longer because after I did the first parts, I realized that it was going to be too short for what I wanted to do. So I included maybe that's about an inch of material going out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tack weld these two corners, so that way we can do our second bend. That's the bend that's going to go underneath the hardware, where it's going to lock the cooler into place. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Getting ready to tack that, just make sure you wear your safety gear. Got an apron, sleeve, and a glove. I know I'm wearing sleeveless shirts, but I'm pretty well protected. I think I'll be fine. And your mask. You know, I'm not a expert welder, and I mean, again, I'm not an expert, but I've done a little bit of welding with like a Harbor Freight cheapo welder. Got me a Titan welder, and it is a world of difference. Yes, it's just regular flux core wire welder, but man, it's a world. It's dirty, but it's cleaner than the other one. And like, I mean, the better the equipment you use, the better your welds will be. So like I did a couple just passes right there. Yeah, it's dirty, but it's like, for my purpose, that stuff is not gonna go anywhere. It'll just hold. You know, it's you know, I like this welder, and I'm only using the you call it the regular flux core. I haven't used it. I got like a tank of argon, and there goes my nephew. And I don't know, man. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's not the best welds in the planet, but it'll hold, and you can't see that. That's going to be in the bottom. Now I'm going to try to see if I can do that other band, and then we're good to go. We're gonna try to convince this piece of metal while it's still warm to bend the other way. Right at that point. So let's see. Maybe it's too close. Maybe give a little room. Maybe a little room will do better. All right, so after convincing the piece to bend the way I want it to bend, there's no, I guess the part was kind of harder because of the welding. It's because it got, I guess, tempered, but I don't know, or annealed or tempered. I'm not sure what the hell it's called. But the thing is, oh snap, I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I'm working on something else on the ski. But the thing is, that will go, obviously we're gonna have to like file it down and make it fit, but that's gonna fit in there. So now we gotta do a little bit of filing, and I prefer a hand file because one of them, it's too noisy, and two, it's a lot more, I guess, precise, if you ask me. So we bend it, welded it, bend it, and now it's a like a 90-degree-ish angle. So it'll fit under there. We're filing it. Next video or next episode, we're gonna have it to where it's already tapered down to the size of the where it's supposed to go, the hardware it's supposed to go into, and that'll be it. Then we'll go to the next step, which will be making the brackets for the gas tanks and the fishing poles in the back, and the latch for it to latch onto the ski so it don't go anywhere. So like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notifications of every new video that I put out. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave me in the notes on the comment box at the bottom. That's it. See you next episode.